Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Umbria. We are very close to Monte Santa Maria Tiberina, which you can actually see right behind me in the distance, and we are about to walk through an incredible country home. This property also has its own church that has been now converted into a charming living space that I can't wait to show you. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is immersed in the middle of the green, giving this home total privacy and silence. At the same time, it is very close to Monte Santa Maria Tiberina. In fact, it's just about 4 kilometers away. And in terms of airports, we have Perugia, which is 50 kilometers away, and Florence, which is about 2 hours away. The home is surrounded by about 4,000 square meters of well-maintained garden. On this side, we have this area dedicated to this fantastic swimming pool. It is 10 by 4 meters and it is equipped with a depuration system and also a heating system. This is for sure the ideal place to have a relaxing summertime aperitivo. The total internal surface of the home is 330 square meters with 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It is the result of a tasteful restoration using only high-quality materials and finishes. As we walk into the home, we get into this entrance room, which on the left brings to the gorgeous San Lorenzo church I mentioned earlier. But before showing that to you, I would like to walk you through the rest of the house. So as we get to the kitchen space, we find on my right a large bathroom with right beside an office space, which could also easily be turned into a bedroom. Now, let me show you the kitchen. It is really spacious, blending modern design features with traditional materials and textures. All of this gives this space quite a charm. On this side, it extends to another part of the kitchen with another sink, and in the end we get to a door that brings straight into the pool area. On this other side, we get to the dining room with its own stone fireplace, and I'm sure you noticed how all over the floor there is this gorgeous terracotta, under which we find an underfloor heating system, and on the ceiling we have all of these traditional wooden beams. Now that we're done with the kitchen side, let's have a look at the Church of San Lorenzo. Before we get to it, we have this little cute sitting area by the entrance that then leads us to this fantastic space with these really high ceilings and these original colors on the walls. In fact, as many details as possible have been maintained during the restoration. The room has its own piano on this side, which I'm sure sounds amazing with all of these high ceilings. And over here we get to this sitting area with its own direct access to the garden through this door. The first floor is where we find 4 of the bedrooms. Let's start with the smaller ones, with 2 cute little bedrooms over here that share a large bathroom right beside. Right beside we find the 3rd bedroom, which is really cute over here with its ensuite bathroom, finished with some beautiful marble. Have a look. And finally, we get to my favorite bedroom. This is the master. It is super spacious and it has an incredible charm. Have a look at how behind this wardrobe it's been integrated with the ensuite bathroom. Through this door, in fact, we get to this huge bathroom, which is nearly as big as the bedroom itself, and it has its own bathtub over here, double sink, a huge shower, and over there we have a view on the swimming pool and this relaxing countryside. This home certainly has a lot to offer. Nestled among the hills of Umbria, known for their spirituality and their calming views. I would love to show it to you personally as you come to Italy. And before I leave you, I would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel for new, exciting videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.